Ever wondered about that mysterious pocketguard ID that pops up on your screen? You're not alone. Let's dive into the digital depths to uncover the truth behind this enigmatic identifier. In today's tech-driven world, we're constantly bombarded with unique identifiers. From social media handles to online banking passwords, these digital tags have become an integral part of our online lives. But what exactly is a pocketguard ID, and why does it matter? What is a pocketguard ID? At its core, a pocketguard ID is a unique identifier assigned to your pocketguard account. It's like a digital fingerprint that distinguishes your account from millions of others. This ID is crucial for several reasons. Account security. Your pocketguard ID is a key component of your account's security infrastructure. It helps to verify your identity and protect your sensitive financial information. Account recovery. If you ever forget your password or encounter other account-related issues, your pocketguard ID can be used to recover your account and regain access to your financial data. Customer support. When you contact pocketguard's customer support team, your pocketguard ID can help them quickly identify your account and assist you with your query. Why do you need a pocketguard ID? In today's increasingly digital world, having a unique identifier for your online accounts has become essential. A pocketguard ID offers several benefits. Enhanced security. By assigning a unique ID to your account, pocketguard can implement robust security measures to protect your financial information from unauthorized access. Seamless user experience. Your pocketguard ID streamlines the login process, allowing you to quickly and easily access your account from any device. Personalized service. With a unique ID, pocketguard can tailor its services to your specific needs and preferences, providing a more personalized user experience. How to find your pocketguard ID. Finding your pocketguard ID is a simple process. Log into your account, open the pocketguard app or website and log into your account using your credentials. Check your account settings, navigate to your account settings or profile page. Locate your ID. Your pocketguard ID should be displayed prominently on your account page. In conclusion, a pocketguard ID is a valuable tool that enhances your online security and provides a seamless user experience. By understanding the purpose of this unique identifier, you can better protect your financial information and enjoy the full benefits of pocketguard services. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.